Greetings, everyone. Ever wondered how laundromats spin clean clothes into thriving businesses? It's more than tossing in quarters. It's a clever blend of modern strategies that revive a community hub. And we're here with fun money facts for kids, teens, and adults. Welcome to Profit Unveiled, your guide to business brilliance. Let's explore how laundromats wash up wealth with innovation and smarts. Picture a lively neighborhood where machines hum around the clock. An owner buys an aging laundromat for a modest investment and transforms it, offering washes via mobile apps for $3 a load. That's right, $3. With upgraded machines and a lease, they start quickly, building a steady customer base. That's the first spin, modern payments that keep laundry flowing smoothly. Take Sarah, a mom juggling work and family. She loads 5 baskets, taps her phone to pay, and finishes in an hour. The app makes it effortless, cutting wait times with machines that signal when done, a simple tweak that doubles customer visits. This payment shift, easy to set up with platforms like PayRange, turns old coin slots into a sleek system anyone can adopt with basic tech skills. It's a low-cost entry point, letting new owners modernize a classic business and serve their community better. Owners wash loads with mobile apps and spark steady business fast. That smart spin keeps customers coming. Now they offer mobile subscriptions for loyal users. A $50 monthly plan lets folks wash regularly, using AI to track machine patterns for smoother operations. The system predicts peak times, spreading loads evenly to avoid jams, a trick that maximizes uptime. Consider Mark, a student with weekly laundry needs. He signs up, taps his app, and washes without hassle, while the owner adjusts schedules in minutes using free AI tools online. This plan builds loyalty, ensuring machines stay busy and lines stay short, a strategy anyone can learn from tech blogs or videos. Next, they introduced eco-friendly machines to cut costs and attract green-minded folks. Each upgrade streamlines water and power use, saving 30% on bills. Lisa, an eco-conscious renter, chooses this spot for its sustainable vibe. The owner swaps 10 machines with efficient models, a move that draws crowds and boosts visits by 20%. These upgrades, often funded by small loans, let new owners refresh old setups, making laundry a community draw with lower overhead. Owners swap to green machines and rinse out big savings fast. That eco-spin draws crowds quick. Ready for a modern touch? Vending pods sell essentials like soap and snacks. A $20 pod covers needs in one stop, streamlining the customer experience. Dan, a worker on a tight schedule, grabs detergent and a drink without leaving. The owner stocks these in moments, using smart dispensers that track sales, a system learnable from free online guides. It's a small add-on that keeps people washing longer, turning convenience into a steady edge. How about microservices? A $25 drop-off wash saves time for busy folks. Jane, a professional, leaves her bag and picks up fresh clothes later. The owner processes it quickly using spare machine gaps spotted by AI, a trick that fills idle slots. This service, simple to start with basic training, meets local needs and keeps cash flowing, proving laundromats can flex for today's pace. Microservices wash up steady business with $25 loads. That quick bubble boosts loyalty fast. Local tie-ins seal the deal. Pairing with nearby cafes for $50 promos brings new faces. Emma, a cafe owner, offers a wash coffee deal, splitting costs with the laundromat. 5 partnerships double foot traffic, adding subscribers as customers linger. These links, easy to pitch with a quick chat, weave the laundromat into the community, a strategy anyone can copy to grow their base. Laundromats don't just clean, they build wealth. Start yours with mobile apps, subscriptions, green machines, vending pods, microservices, and tie-ins. With tech and heart, so your spins can stack as success. Love these facts? Subscribe. We're sharing profit tips weekly, so stay tuned.